po ay nagpapasalamat ang banyong lingkod, Renato T. Abrina, punong barangay, dito po sa Barangay Sagpangan. Ako po talaga nagpapasalamat sa lahat po na tumutulong sa amin, akin po mga kakilala. So sa ngayon, napakaganda po ang transport ng mga maliliit na tao dito po sa aming barangay, from Sagpangan going to market. So hindi po nahihirapan ang aming mga maliliit na kapatid pagtransport ng mga production galing sa Barangay Sagpangan. Kaya po ito ay lubos po kaming nagpapasalamat sa aming pong pamahalaan sa DPWH na hindi po kami pinatagal at hindi kami binigo sa aming pong mga kailangan. Ay nabigyan naman po kami ng solar water system. Kasalukuyan po ngayon ay ginagawa at pag ito po ay matapos, ito po ay magbibigay ng tubig dito po sa aming barangay. Yan po ay dadaloy po dito sa buong barangay, simula dito sa plaza. Basta sa lahat-lahat po dito ng nasakupan ng Barangay Sagpangan ay yan ito patubigan. So ang po ng duration po ng kontratan yan, by December, tatakbo na po yan ng tubig na potable water dito sa aming barangay. Kaya isa rin po kami nagpapasalamat sa aming pong Congressman Edward Hagidon dito po sa ating 3rd District na pagsuporta sa aming pong barangay.
Ako po si Julie Minyusa Gatsalian, isang manager ng Sagpangan Tribal Multipurpose Cooperative. Dito po ay Barangay Sagpangan, Aborlan, Palawan. Malaking naitulong talaga sir sa mga taga rito dahil pag-transport nila, hindi na gaanong masira ang tricycle kasi maganda na ang kalsada. Hanggang doon sa labas, mabilis ang labas ng mga produkto, katulong sa kabuhayan. Katulad ng mag-transport ka ng mga gulay, madali mong mailabas kasi maganda simentado ang kalsada. Hindi katulad noon na minsan may sira ang tricycle kasi sira ang kalsada, bako-bako. Papasalamat kami sa DPWH sa kanilang tulong sa pundo na binigay nila para mapayos yung aming kalsada na mapapunta dito sa Barangay Sagpangan. Maraming salamat sa kanila.
Hapon, Tinigiban. Ako po si Cap Jocelyn Serna, punong barangay ng Barangay Tinigiban. Ang masasabi ko po sa covered court na to, maraming salamat po sa biyayang ibinigay ng ating mahal na Congressman Ed Hagedorn. At syempre sa DPWH na nagkaroon tayo ng magandang covered court. At sa araw na to, buong puso kong nagpapasalamat ang konseyo ng Barangay Tinigiban sa pamumuno ni Cap Serna. Lagi ko sinasabi, salamat. Dahil ang benepisyo nito, pwede po namin itong magiging evacuation center. Kasi po malapit po tayo sa dagat. Kailangan po natin kapag lumaki ang tubig, lalo na ng panahon ng kudet, pwede natin itong mabibigyan katuparan at masilungan ang ating mga kabarangay, lalo na po sa tabing baybayin. Yun po ang benepisyo ng covered court na ito. Napakahalaga po ito sa amin. Lalo na po, tabi po ito ng daycare center. Isa pa rin pong napakalaki ng benepisyo nito para sa aming maliliit na kabataan na nag-aaral dito sa Purok, Sandiwa. Kaya maraming salamat po. At sana, ang hiling ko lang sa ating mga kabarangay, ingatan po nila ito na parang pag-iingat ng sariling kanila para naman po hindi kagad masira. Marami pa pong magbe-benefits nito, kundi hindi lang iisang tao, kundi buong Tinigiban. Ang population po ng Tinigiban ay nasa 17,000 population po. Kaya lahat sila pwede, hindi lang taga-Purok Sandiwa, pwede din po ang Purok Princesa kasi ito lang ang may covered court dito. pwede din po yung mga taga-purok niyo Princesa dalhin dito pagdating ng sakuna. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Magandang hapon sa inyo.
Good afternoon. My name is Librada Lopera Fuertes. Ako ang Agricultural Center Chief 3 ng Department of Agriculture, Palawan Research and Experiment Station. Naging impact nito sa opisina namin is talaga overwhelming dahil yung mga tao namin dito tuwang-tuwa na meron na kaming covered court na pwede namin magamit sa aming sports activity. The very purpose of submitting a proposal is para yung aming assistance din sa mga farmers na nagagaling sa regional office ay may baba dito sa aming opisina at may mapaglagyan katulad ng mga machinery and equipment na ipinamamahagi namin sa mga farmers. Yung mga seeds ng palay and other high-value commercial crops, meron mapaglalagyan, hindi katulad dati kung saan-saan kami nakikiusap para may mapaglagyan kami. At pag meron kaming malalaking event na gaganapin sa opisina, sa nakikiusap pa ako na makahanap kami o makagamit kami ng venue sa ibang government office para pag-holdan ng malalaking event. This time, meron na kaming magagamit at tuwang-tuwa yung aming mga kasamahan dito, yung mga empleyado, yung management. So, yung camaraderie na-establish dito sa different station. And then, meron kami more or less 200 employees na maaaring benefit dito sa aming multi-purpose government. Papasalamat ako sa opisina ng Department of Public Works and Highways kasi sila ang nag-supervise sa construction ng multi-purpose government na ito. At doon naman sa nag-construct, nakita ko naman na naging maganda ang pag-construct ng facility na ito, ng building na ito. At nakita ko na sa aking paningin, maganda ang pagkakagawa. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa management ng DPWH. At nalilito sila nung nag-turn over ng COVID court, talagang sinuportahan ka ang behavior na magkaroon ng ganito. Pagkakataon na makarabil ng ganitong klaseng building na magiging kapakipakinabang sa mga empleyado at sa mga farmers ng Department of Agriculture. Yun lang, maraming salamat.
Hello, good morning. To list the vivid categories of the following project. Contract ID 25AG008, Rehabilitation Major Repair of Permanent Bridges, Culandanum Bridge, B00386, PW along Aramaywan-Berong-Pto, Princesa Road. Contract location K0085 plus 019, Aborlan, Palawan. With an EBC amount of 9,800,000. Number 2, Contract ID 25AG009. Rehabilitation, Major Repair of Permanent Bridge, Olanguan Bridge, B00103, PW along Puerto, Princesa North Road. Contract location K0072 plus 009, Puerto, Princesa City. With an EBC amount of 4,900,000. Contract ID number 3. Contract ID 25AG0010. Contract name, Widening of Permanent Bridges, General Luna Bridge 2, B00175 PW along Puerto, Princesa South Road. Contract location K0017 plus 528 Puerto, Princesa City. with an ABC amount of 99,295,000. Number 4, Contract ID 25 EG 0011, construction of new bridges. Excuse me. Bubusawin Bridge, Bubusawin River along Aramaywan-Berong-Pto Princesa Road. Contract location case 0066 plus 041.54 Aborlan, Palawan, with an ABC of 57,900,000. Contract ID 25 AG 0012, access road leading to Mangingisda Seaport, 00 plus 00.00 to 00 plus 900.70, 00 plus 920.47 to 03 plus 498.98, 04 plus 784.92 to 04938, Barangay Mangingisda, Puerto, Princesa City, with an ABC of 107,983,500 pesos. Contract ID 25 AG 0013, construction of slow protection structure Inagawan CIS, Barangay Inagawan, Puerto, Princesa City, with an ABC amount of 14,700,000. Last, contract ID 25 AG 0014, construction of road at Palawan to Sitio Daan, 00 plus 00.00 to 02 plus 098.00, Aborlan, Palawan, with an ABC of 105,124,810 pesos. Procurement schedules are issuance of bid documents October 18, 2024 to November 12, 2024. Pre-bid conference is October 25, 2024 at 10 o'clock, backroom. Dropping receipt of bids on or before 10 a.m. November 12, 2024. Opening of bids November 12, 2024 at 10 o'clock, backroom. Evaluation, determination of lowest calculated bid November 13 to November 18, 2024. Post qualification November 19 to November 28, 2024. And I will give the microphone to Engineer Enrico Lim. ID number 25 AG 0.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Anthony Enrico Elim, Chief of the Planning and Design Section. Together with my team, i-discuss po namin every project. For the first one is with contract ID 25 EG 0008, rehabilitation, major repair of permanent bridges at Culandanum Bridge, to be discussed by Engineer Maulion.
Contract ID. Hello. Contract ID number 25 EG 00H. Contract name is Rehabilitation, major repair of permanent bridges, Culandanum Bridge along Aramaywan-Berong-Pto Princesa Road. The scope of work of rehabilitation major repair is replacement of washout, slope protection, abutment A and abutment P into concrete slope protection, and installation of carbon fiber, one layer at the girder and carbon plate, and reflective thermoplastic pavement marking. Yun lang po ang scope of work ng ating major repair of permanent Culandanum Bridge.
Wala mga significant na gagawin.
Yung replacement na siya ng slope protection, wash out slope, into concrete slope protection, abutment, ayan laban. Bilang dito. And
Okay, thank you, Engineer Maulion. For the next project with the contract ID 25 EG 009, Rehabilitation, Major Repair of Permanent Bridges, Olanguan, with an approved budget contract of 4,900,000. Again, to be discussed by Engineer Maulion.
contract ID number 25 EG 0009, contract name Rehabilitation, Major Repair, Permanent Bridges, Olanguan Bridge, along Puerto, Princesa, North Road. The scope of work is replacement also ng wash out slope protection into concrete slope protection, and painting works of steel girder, and ayun lang po, ang ano niya, ang scope of work niya, painting of, and yung repair of, drain pipe, which is indicated in the plan naman po kung ano yung i-repair na drain pipe. Ayun lang po, painting ng structural steel and replacement ng ating slope protection both side.
Okay, yan po yung sa Project 25 EG 0009. Thank you, Engineer Maulion. For the next project with the contract ID 25 EG 0010, widening of permanent bridges, General Luna Bridge 2, with an approved budget contract amount of 99,395,000. And this will be discussed by Engineer Albert Hanson.
Hello, good morning. I'm Engineer Alberto Hanson Jr. I'm going to discuss contract ID 25 EG 0010, which is the widening of permanent bridge General Luna Bridge 2, bridge ID B00175 PW along Puerto Princesa South Road. This project consists of this project is widening of existing bridge, but it has also replacement of the superstructure of the existing bridge. After the widening of this bridge, left side ascending when we are facing Aborlan, going to Aborlan. This widening is at the left side. After the bridge, the widening is constructed, and passable, the existing General Luna Bridge will be replaced. Only the superstructure, the AS2 girder, type 6 girder, the deck slab, the railings. Okay, that is the major item of this project. A total girder is 8 AS2 type 6 modified girder. Then the widened part of the bridge is supported by board pile. Then the approaches. Yung approaches po, since this is a left side widening, meron tayong pag-aayos dun sa kanyang alignment kasi medyo magkakaroon ng correction o kailangan natin i-address yung alignment since this is one side widening. Then may affected rin itong removal ng trees. Yun din po kailangan natin address. Tsaka yung isang particular item din po dito na importante is yung longitudinal expansion joint.
since kasi kailangan natin ma-utilize, so gagamitin na natin yung left side widening kaya dapat meron tayong separation o isolation ng newly widened bridge bago natin gagalawin yung the existing bridge, yung superstructure kasi deteriorated na to, may defects na. Yun po ang kasama dito sa widening na to. Kaya yun yung amount natin. Yun lang po. Yung kanyang slope protection pala, meron din po tayong mga sheet piles dito. Sheet piles po dun sa abutment slope protection as per department order. Na lahat ng newly constructed bridges magkakaroon tayo ng sheet piles as scar protection. Yun lang po. Yun lang po ang major item. Pwede naman mag-inquire regarding po sa mga ibang concern po dito. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Engineer Honson. For the next project, with the contract ID 25EG0012, access road leading to Mangingisda Seaport, with an approved budget contract amount of 107,983,500 pesos, and to be discussed by Engineer G. Sontero.
Hello po, good morning. Project ID 25EG0012, access road leading to Mangingisda Seaport, Barangay Mangingisda, Puerto, Princesa City. This project is a reconstruction project with a length of with a length of 3.63 kilometers, two-lane, 3.05 lane with a two-lane opposite each direction with a gap of the bridge and existing good pavement. This project is 28 mm thick project, thick PCCP with a 1.5 meter shoulder, consists of drainage such as line canal, cross drain. It is also has item 201, which is a polymer stabilizer base course of 6,701 cubic meter as a compacted volume. So yun lang po. Yun lang po ang major perks sa access road leading to Mangingisda. Thank you.
Thank you, Engineer Atero. For the next project with the contract ID 25EG001, construction of new bridges, Bubusawin Bridge, with an approved contract amount of 57,900,000. Again, to be discussed by Engineer Albert Honson. And Engineer Reynard Lagasca.
Good morning everyone. For this project, construction of new bridges, Bubusawin Bridge, Bubusawin River along Aramaywan-Berong-Pto, Princesa Road. For this project po, this project is pre-stressed concrete girder type 6, single span with 40.8 meters po yung length po ng ating new bridge. Ano po ito, upgrading po ng ating national roads from spillway to this new construction po ng ating bridge. Okay
Okay, for Part B, other general requirements, Part C, earthworks. For earthworks, meron po tayong individual removal of trees from 150 to 900 mm diameter and up. And the removal of actual structures of 0.23 meter thick na PCCP. Kasi yung PCCP po natin dyan dati, 0.23 pa lang po yung kapal. Then, embankment from roadway excavation, embankment from barrow, sa grade preparation. Then, for approaches po, meron po tayong sub-base and base courses. For surface course, 311, 1E1, and 311, 1A for concrete shoulder. Yung carriage way po natin yung 0.28 meter thick. Then, yung para naman po sa approach lab po natin, reinforced concrete na PCCP yung 311 to F1, which is 0.3 meter thick reinforced up. Then for bridge construction, yung bridge po natin is board pile po. Concrete piles casting drill holes with 1.2 meters diameter. Permanent casing po para dun sa board pile. We also have pile integrity testing, high strain dynamic testing. Then concrete training po na standard po yung ginamit po natin dito. Then for reinforced concrete po natin doon, we have 404 and 405. Grade 40 and grade 60 for rebars, and structural concrete with 20.68 megapascals para po ito sa sa mga slow protection, yung 3,000 PSI po na ito. Bali yung para po sa type po para po sa bridge mismo, meron po tayong 27.58 megapascals at 28 days. Lahat po yun yung para sa superstructures and substructures po ng ating tulay. Then, we also have lean concrete para po ito dun sa pagpapatungan po ng abutment. Then, paint for railings and sidewalks. And elastomeric bearing pads po yung pinapatungan po ng pre-stress girders po natin yung connection niya dun sa abutment. Then we also have expansion joint along transverse sa pagitan po ng pre-stress girder and back wall. Then for drainage and slope protection structures po, grouted riprap and concrete slope protection po yung combination po ng ating slope protection for this project. Then yung drain pipe po na nandito is para po sa drain ng tulay along sa gilid po ng sidewalk. We also have miscellaneous structures, metal guardrail, metal beam end piece, which is bullnose. Regulatory signs po para mariwanan po natin yung speed. Then, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings na white and yellow. Then, and last, bank slope protection works po. Nakahiwalay po yung slope protection. Meron po tayong concrete slope protection along sa bank, which is yung sa ilalim mismo ng abutment yun. Yun po yung para dito sa 1712-2. And nakapatong po siya sa sa sheet piles po. Which is Z-type po yung nakalagay po dito sa plano. With FY50. Yun lang po. Kung meron pa po kayong mga clarifications and concerns, nasa planning lang po kami, we are willing po to help. Thank you.
Thank you, Engineer Lagasca. Let's now move on to the next project.
Tanong ko lang yung Mesolex po na ito natin. Mesolex po yun.
Okay, again, thank you, Engineer Lagasca. The next project is with contract ID 25 EG 0013. Construction of a slope protection structure in Agawan CIS with an approved budget contract amount to 14,700,000 to be discussed by Engineer Joel Magniti.
Thank you, sir. Good morning po. For project 25EG0013, construction of slope protection structure in Agawan CIS, Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. We have po total meters of 72.38 meters, station plus 044.35 plus 2 up to plus 116.73. Total calendar days po is 126 calendar days. With a project total estimated cost po of 15 million. Summary quantities po, we have project billboard, signboard of 3 each. Tapos we have also occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. Then mobilization and demobilization, 1 lump sum. For earthwork po, we have surplus common excavation of 277.78 cubic meter and individual removal trees from 150 to 300 mm diameter, we have 23 each po. Embankment from roadway construction excavation, we have 832.53 cubic meter. And bank slope protection work, construction slope protection po, we have 248 cubic meter. Then last po yung ating sheet piles, steel rope protection, 846 meters po. Thank you po.
Thank you, Engineer Magnitico. And for the last project, with contract ID 25EG0014, construction of road Palawan to Sitio Daan with an approved budget contract amount of 105,024,810 to be discussed by Engineer Jason Terro.
Good morning ulit. Construction of road Palawan to Sitio Daan, Aborlan, Palawan. So this project is construction of gravel paved to paved road with a length of 2.98 kilometers with 210 calendar days. So this project, medyo masikip, yung existing niya medyo masikip kaya naglagay kami ng clearing and grubbing. Then meron din tayong construction of multiple box culvert with item number of 44445. Meron din lean concrete, line canal, slope protection, guardrails, thermoplastic paint, chevron for hazard alignment or sa mga curbs. Width pala nito is 6.7 with a 0.28 thick PCCP. With a shoulder of 1.5 meters. So, yun lang po. Thank you.
Thank you, Engineer Terro. For more clarifications and pwede rin po namin i-discuss lahat po ng yung 2025 projects, pumunta lang po kayo sa planning. That's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Is there any question or comment? Hearing none, I declare this public conference adjourned.